Hi friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how to make a folder on a computer with and without name. In today's time we are obviously seeking for some better software to hide our files so that no one can access the same without your permission. This is the best and easy way to hide your files and no one can access those folders without your permission because that folder is not visible to anyone. The folder doesn't have any name and also folder is nowhere visible to anyone. Let's get into that. For that, we are just giving a brief introduction of what exactly a folder is. So in computing, a directory is a file system catalog structure which contain reference to other computer files and possibly other directories. On many computers, directories are known as folder or drawers, analogous to workbench or a traditional office file cabinet. When talking about file system, a folder is a way to organize a computer file. A folder is a storage space or a container where many files can be placed into group and organize the computer. So a folder can also contain other folders inside it. The folder can be put together to make a file system and laid out like a tree. So on some operating systems, shortcuts or links can be made from one folder to another to make it appear that one file or folder is contained in two different parent folder. On Unix system this is called symbolic links. Now first of all we are getting into how to make a folder in Windows or Mac. So in Windows, if you want to create a folder, you have to go to the area where you want to create a folder. The easiest example is your computer desktop, but you can refer a folder anywhere on your computer. You can open File Explorer by clicking the Start menu and type in File Explorer and then click File Folder at the top of the Start menu. From there you can select any folder to open from the left hand pane. To create a folder, you have to right click on the blank space. Creating a new folder, you have to click on new. Creating a folder, you have to select new. This option is near the bottom of the drop down menu and open another pop-up. Over there you have to click folder. It is at the top of the pop-up menu. Then type the name of the folder and press enter. So this creates the folder with its new name. The folder name cannot contain any special punctuation or other characters. If you don't type name, your folder will be saved as new folder. If you're creating a new folder and didn't provide any name, we'll give the default name new folder. So if you don't want to type any name in the folder, there is a small trick in that. So be with us till the end of the video and you will get to know how you can able to make a invisible folder or without name folder in Windows. To create an invisible folder on Windows 10, there is a small trick on that. So let's move into that. So to get it started, you simply have to create a folder which we have seen above will appear on your on screen with the name new folder. When you are renaming the folder, you have to hold the press key and type 255 or 0160 on your numeric keypad and then press enter. So once you press the enter after typing those digits, you will get a folder without any name in it. So this will create a folder without any name. Now we have a folder without name on our desktop. If you want to hide this folder, you have to just follow a few steps more. So once you're done with that, you have to go to the properties of that particular folder. You have to right click on that. Once you right click, you will get a menu and over there you have to select properties. Once you select the properties, you have to go to customize. So once you click on customize tab, there is an option to change the icon in folder icon section. So once you click on change icon, in the change icon for the folder window, scroll to the right, select an invisible icon and then click OK. Once you click OK, you will get a folder without any visibility. Your folder got vanished from the desktop. It looked like it got vanished, but you can able to find that folder. You have to select a complete area or larger area in your desktop, so you can able to see that folder reflecting over there, and you can simply double click into that and you can hide your files in that, so it will not be visible to anyone else. So if you want to hide the multiple folder at once on your desktop, repeat the process above but press Alt plus 255 or Alt plus 0160 more than once to type multiple invisible characters. So two folder can't have the same name, so the second one need to be two blank spaces on that. So this is the way you can create a folder, hidden folder, or you can say invisible folder on your desktop. Moving into the practical section, I will show you how we can do it on the machine. So to create a folder, we are moving into the desktop. So we are going to right click here, so you can able to see the new option, and we have to create a folder. So once you create a folder, you can able to see the default name new folder too. So if you simply delete this and think that we have a folder without the name, so that is not the correct way. If you simply click outside somewhere, you will automatically get a name with the default one, new folder. So to create a folder without the name, you simply hold the Alt key and type 0160 and press enter. So once you press the enter, you can able to see that this folder doesn't have any name right now. Now we have a folder without the name on our desktop. So to hide this folder, you simply have to right click here, so you can able to see the properties of that particular folder. So you have to go to properties. So once you came into the properties, now you can see the option of customize here. So you have to click on customize. There is an option to change icon. So once you click on change icon, scroll your pointer somewhere, so you can able to see there are three invisible folders here. So you simply have to select any of these and then click apply and then OK. So once you do it, you can able to see that there is no folder. So if you want to see that folder, you have to drag your mouse, so you can able to see there is an empty folder here. So you are now able to see that there is a folder without any name and without any icon on desktop. So this way you can create a folder on your desktop. So moving into next, we are just having a brief about Mac also, how we can create a folder in Mac. So we have to go to the area where you want to create a folder. So you can open Finder, where reassemble a blue face at the bottom of the screen, and then go to the place you want to make a new folder, such as document. Click file. This menu item is in the upper left side of your Mac screen. Then click on new folder. This create a new folder in your current location. So you can also right click on an empty space using a mouse, or click using two finger on your computer with a trackpad. Make sure you don't right click on the file or a folder, as it will open a wrong drop down menu. So type the name for the folder and press return. This create a new folder with its new name. You can use colon or comma creating while naming a folder on Mac. That's all for the today's video. I hope you like the trick to hide the folder. Kindly subscribe and share. Thank you so much for being with me.